Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix sleep issues with Windows 11. So it's a pretty straightforward process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for control panel right here. Okay, then here in view by you can set it to large icons. Okay, and once you set it to large icons, it should be like this. Here, go into power options. Okay, and then go into choose when to turn off the display. Okay, here I've set it to never. You can set it to when your display is turned off, and then you can change advanced power settings here. Okay, so since my system is a virtual machine, it does not have the absolute exact settings as a normal desktop computer has. So if you go into your sleep settings right here, it should have a timer when to set your system to sleep. So you can change that, add the settings, and make it to how short or how long you want your computer to take when before it falls asleep. So you can set it there and then click on apply and OK to change. And here you can change when you want it to turn off the display before it actually goes to sleep. And once you set it here, you can just save changes, restart your computer, and it should take effect. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.